Sorry. I hope I'm not coming down with something.
Trying to make myself sneeze in less than 15 seconds with a piece of grass.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Can someone please tell me that I'm not the only one on this planet that has experienced sneeze anxiety? Like when you're in a group and someone's talking and you're listening and you start to feel one come on. So the facial muscles start to want to like twitch and contort into those pre-sneeze faces. So you're like, but you start being aware of the fact that you're making those faces, which then like raises your anxiety level and the sneeze entirely goes away. So then you end up being the person in this group that just made these weird contorting faces with no finish. I just want to sneeze. Am I the only one on the planet? Or am I a weirdo?
Excuse me.
Gesundheit.
Sorry. I hope I'm not coming down with something.
You think you might be?
Well, I've been feeling a little congested, and I think it's settling in my chest.
It's certainly where I was planning to settle.
Maybe I should go home.
Whoa. Let's not overreact. We can still do this, we just have to be careful.
What do you mean?
Well, we can keep kissing, but, Amish style with the tongues parked in the barn. If you need to cough or sneeze, just tap me on the shoulder and I'll cover your face with a pillow. And you can use this.
Nasal spray. Thank you. That's so thoughtful.
Well, you are going to need to breathe through your nose.
This is a video of my sister sneezing with her eyes open.
Sometimes I feel like I've got to sneeze.
If you ever need to sneeze on command, what you're going to do is take a piece of toilet paper, split it in half. I'm just rolling it up like I'm rolling it, and I'm just going to poke it in my nose and make it touch the back of your nostrils. And I'm about to sneeze like 3 times or maybe twice.
It scared me. Oh, Jesus.
And I kind of need to sneeze right now, so that's why I'm making this video, but it's not coming out. So I need to activate my sneeze.
Basically, this how the girl. Where? Where? Thank you. Where?
I fast forwarded this part because it was 53.9 seconds and I didn't think anyone needed to actually see me poking my nostril with toilet paper live. So there it is. I'm switching to the other side because I need like fresh toilet paper in my nostril. It's something about fresh toilet paper that activates my sneezes. So that's why I turn the toilet paper around. That's one. I hope y'all enjoy these graphics on the snot. 2. 3. That's how you can sneeze on demand. Just roll up some toilet paper and poke it in your nose. I'll do it again. I only have 20 seconds left, but let's see if I can activate my sneezes again.
Trying to make myself sneeze in less than 15 seconds with a piece of grass.
My friend thought I was doing something else.
I've been really trying,
Oh! Fucking hell.
Listen, my husband and I are drinking beers tonight. And he used to get like this when he would drink beer. We're good. We're done.
Be completely beat him on a ball.